these people day after day, but I just can't reach them. I think you'd better...
Is everybody here? Where's Nathan Detroit?
Where is it?
Won't you all sit down?
Sit down, all of you.
I would like to welcome you all to the Save a Soul mission.
Just a minute, you guys. This is a mission, not Roseland. So I suggest you do not indulge yourselves in any unpleasantness while you're here. Now, since I'm required to leave for Points West tonight, I'm appointing Nathan Detroit Major Domo in my place. Nathan, anyone who does not conduct themselves according to Hoyle will answer to Sky Masterson personally. And that means in person.
What a remarkable young man.
So remember that, guys. We're the Abernathy. Your dice.
We are honored tonight to have our meeting conducted by the head of our organization, General Cartwright.
It's wonderful to see our mission filled with so many evil-looking sinners. Now, who would like to testify? Who would like to start the ball rolling by giving testimony?
Benny, give testimony.
Oh, no. I ain't no stool pigeon. I plead the fifth.
Let one of you give testimony to the sin that's in his heart.
Benny, tell him what a bum you are. Come on, Benny.
Well, I've always been a bad guy. And a gambler. But I ain't gonna do it no more. I think.
There, don't you feel better now?
I guess.
Anybody else?
Big Julie.
Well, I used to bow when I was a kid, but ever since then, I've gone straight as I can prove on my record. 33 arrests and no convictions.
Harry the horse. No. Harry the horse.
Well, like when Scar was rolling us for our souls.
I beg your pardon?
Scar Masterson. He rolled us $1,000 against our souls. That's why we're here.
I don't understand.
I do, General. What he means is they're only here because Sky Masterson won them in a dice game.
How wonderful! This whole meeting is the result of gambling. It shows how good can strive from evil. Sergeant Sarah, you've done remarkable work.
Hasn't she, though?
Thank you.
Hey, I ain't finished my testimony. My sins is, when Scar was rolling us for our souls, I wish I would get the $1,000 so I wouldn't have to come here. But now that I'm here, I still wish it.
Anyone else?
We will now hear testimony from, Brother Nicely Johnson. Brother Nicely Johnson.
Get up, you fat water buffalo.
Well, it happened to me kind of funny, like a dream. Yeah, that's it. A dream.
Tell us, in your own words.
I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered someone paid me, but the passengers, they know right from wrong. For the people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. People all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapel of your checked coat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist, and there I stood, nicely that's the moment I woke up. Thank the Lord. And I said to myself, sit down, myself, sit down. I said to myself, sit down, myself, sit down. You're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under. And the soul will have a little bit of blood. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. You're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking, sit down, sit down, sit down. You're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking, sit down, sit down, sit down. You're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking.
Anything we can do for you, Brother Brannigan? Maybe you can care to testify.
I'll do my testifying in court. I'll testify that you ran a crap game here in this mission last night. Miss Sarah, you were standing there when you saw them. Aren't these the ones?
I never saw them before in my life.
There's a white fraud.
If you would excuse me, officer, we would like to go on with our meeting.
I have never seen crap shooters spend so much time in a mission. Maybe that's what they mean by holy rollers.
People, I do have a confession to make. We did shoot crap in this mission last night. For that, we are all sorry. Hangry boys.
Yeah.
I'm really sorry.
But I did another terrible thing. I made a certain bet with a certain guy, and he could not take a certain doll with him on a trip. For that, I'm really sorry. Although, it did no harm, because I won the bet.
You won the bet?
Sure, he told me he didn't take her. Well, that makes me feel a lot better.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
We will now sing